Satang arsengi haswa bantavut nagabanta banjit economic khmat saying dorbar thawanya parlimen kabanlong haka khat khandai tarik uyayong arjar arpsau mentaga sngi khat nyaw tarik uyayong la sakhi baki Nongtrei Sorkar na Riboy district kuntup na do polling officer bapher kilas dang ban mi na nongpo kabade ke headquarter ban lek penpoi yakitiar kitar cha polling station ki bakham jangai Riboy district nagabanta ka jingya ibe ya jrenti jongka election banjit ek MP Kini ki officer Sorkar bar ki Nongtrei Sorkar kilalik sa lupa na do mantaka sngi ban point sa polling station bala banshat kam ya ki bat kum ki Nongtrei Sorkar da ka jingkit khli kilawan syam ki tum kitam kum ka jing pan khre ban penyai be ya jernti ka election nakaliang u district election officer ka Riboy arpit upadyaw la pentep banakaliang ka Sorkar mantaka dang pan khre shat nak mantaka jingya be ya jernti jong ka election MP ula pentep banakaliang ki Borsenchar district kila pan khre ban penyai be ya jernti banami kano ka huri hura ka bakta e ka syongsuk syongsan ki pajba bat banyaj baik ya renti kena election na kaling ki bor district kala pek ngorbha bat Ryngkat ki bor pahara ki bakhlan.
So we are all geared to conduct elections, the General Assembly elections on 19th, and as you can see, some of the teams have already departed. Teams which were posted in far-flung areas. So 89 teams have been departed so far today, and the remaining teams will be going tomorrow. So as far as preparation is concerned, all the preparations have been made and it is in full swing. With regard to law and order issues, a very detailed security plan has been made, and we are especially focusing on critical and vulnerable polling stations, the sensitive pockets and the border areas. We have 31 polling stations which are critical vulnerable polling stations and 4 are critical polling stations. So for that adequate arrangements have been made. We have CAPFs and sufficient deployment of police forces and also home guards to ensure that we are able to conduct elections peacefully in a free and fair manner. Along with that, earlier also this time 368 people opted for home voting also. These were the 85 plus age of voters and the PWDs. So out of this 366 have voted and 2 voters have unfortunately expired during the course of this thing. So this has been the update so far, and we are looking forward for a very successful elections. Honorarium is fixed by the CEO office, and this time we are trying to do the honorarium directly into their bank accounts. So the honorarium which has been fixed by the CEO office for presiding officers by 500, 450 in different categories. So that honorarium will go directly to their bank accounts, and the food money we have given them in cash in today. The period for campaigning has ended, and we are now in the silence mode of last 42, 48 hours of the elections, and so the necessary orders have been passed as per MCC. And we are ensuring that now there will be no campaigning as per the guidelines from the MCC, guidelines from the ECI.
Is there any arrest or?
There have been no arrest, but there were some small issues regarding which the police has filed for non-FIR cases, and we have binded down all the people who were involved, and as per the reports that we received from the SP, all the troublemongers were identified and they have been binded down as per the relevant sections.